If your Insignia Fire TV's remote has stopped working, if only the power button works, or if the remote isn't working at all, then in this video I'll show you some troubleshooting process that should help you fix any issues with your Insignia Fire TV remote. For the first step, try pointing your remote at your TV and press and hold the home button for about 5 seconds. This should pair your remote back to your Insignia Smart TV. But if the remote is still not working, then we'll move to the next step. We will reset our remote and connect it back to our TV. To reset your remote properly, first you need to unplug your TV from the power source and wait for 1 minute. Then press the back, the left and the menu button of your Insignia Fire remote for about 12 seconds. After 12 seconds, you can let go of the buttons and wait for 5 seconds. Then take out the batteries of your remote and turn on your TV. And after your TV turns on, you may or may not get a pop-up telling you to pair your remote back to your TV. You just need to put your batteries back in and press the home button of your remote and the repairing process will be complete. But if you still can't get your remote to pair back and it isn't working, then you can try changing the batteries and see if that fixes it. If your remote is still not working, then it may be a hardware issue and you should send your remote for repairs. And in the meantime, you can use your smartphone as a remote. We have a video about that, so you can watch it here. Let us know which process worked for you to help everyone out, and I'll see you later.